Hey, what's up? My name is Cade and today I'm reviewing the New York Toy Collective STP packing strap. Later in the video, I'm going to show you what it looks like to wear with an STP and packer, so that's just a little heads up. Just like all of my other reviews, this review is completely honest. Today, it's going to be pretty brutal. The thing about packing straps is I think that they are so nice and amazing because it gives you the ability to wear almost like whatever underwear that you want on top of the strap. It doesn't matter if it's just boxers or if you don't even want to wear underwear, you can still have that like natural sway. You know, packing straps are amazing, but not all are created equal. I've found at this point, like packing pouches and straps, it's like 50% of the time they don't work super great, or the making of it just like and then 50% of the time it's pretty awesome and comes into clutch. With all that being said, let me show you and tell you my feelings about this New York Toy Collective packing strap. When I buy something or get something to review, I want it to be able to be worn for a while, whether it be packer, STP, or whatever, to see maybe does it work for me. But the fact that after the first time of trying it, it ripped, I was like, oh no, oh no. And that's another reason why it kind of took a while to review this, because I want to usually show y'all like some things that I'm most excited for first, but this, it needed to be said. The fact that this ripped so fast, I was like, that sucks. The other thing that I am not a big fan of when it comes to this packing strap is the size of the hole that the head and the shaft of the penis is supposed to go through. I'm going to show you with my smallest STP and then my smallest packer to show you like why it's an issue. Here's your little warning. I'm going to show you a packer and an STP and it looks very much like a penis, so if you don't want to see that, like, I'll see you next time. But for now, 3, 2, 1, here are the two I'm going to show you. So this is the Prince by Axolum, and it is the smallest shaft-wise STP that I have. And I reviewed this like very recently. And then this one is the 2-in-1 jack sleeve by New York Toy Collective. And with how much I like this, once again, that's why I was kind of disappointed with the packing strap. The reason why I also chose this is because you can actually squish it a little bit too, because it's a 2-in-1, you can use it as a sleeve as well. And let me show you. Packer, this. It is a very tight hole. Like, the opening for this does not have very much give at all. The last issue that I have personally with this STP strap is the positioning of the actual packer slash STP. This one is more of like a personal thing because of where and how my anatomy is, but I personally think the way that it is structured, it places the packer a little bit like further back in between my legs than I usually would compared to other ways that I pack. But that's more of a personal preference. The other two things with the durability and then the size of the hole, I think is a lot more universal. All things aside, this is what it looks like with the 2-in-1 jack sleeve from New York Toy Collective. So, see, like, I'm wearing underwear, we're all good. Kind of stays in place, fits well enough, but once again, it goes very far back. If it was any more curved down, it might touch my butthole, and I don't want that. I think it might even look better if I packed it up with the positioning of it, but once again, the top strap literally, you know, broke off so fast. Or broke apart. It's not completely ripped off, but you've seen what it looks like. So here we go, 2-in-1 jack sleeve. Once again, this is the Prince by Axolum, and it has one of the smallest shafts that I have when it comes to current STPs. I do have to say that, you know, how much I kind of have to forcibly kind of pull it through. The stitching is pretty solid and high quality around the hole. I wish that they had that same like durability and stitching with the different straps, like the different like elastic ish areas. I'm gonna pack this one down. Okay, maybe I'm not gonna pack it down because it goes back to what I said earlier in the video. It kind of really makes the STP or packer kind of near my butt, and I don't want that. So let's kind of pull it out from there. See, I think it does look a little bit more natural, at least when it's not tucked down or tucked up with positioning, but it's still a lot further back than I would like it to be. Once again, I really love the idea of this packing strap. It's just the fall through with the quality just did not hit it for me. Another thing that I want to point out when it comes to the size of the hole is as you're using an STP, the way it's designed is it's supposed to make it like easy as possible, already right to your body. You don't even need to worry about it with this packing strap. I think that's the idea behind the design. But the issue comes in with, because the fact that the hole with where you shove the STP through is a lot smaller, it restricts the amount of pee that can go through at once. Because even with this STP and it having a smaller shaft size than many of them that I have, it still is restricting with like how fast the pee can get through. As you might have been able to see with my other reviews, I'm a very strong streamer when it comes to my pee. Being able to have like a rite of passage as much as possible is super important. I don't like to really bash on products because every product, it really depends on what works for each person, but universally I say this is like a 2.5 out of 10 stars because of how easily this part ripped and the size of the hole not being very universally available for most packers and STPs. It just really ruins it for me. Luckily, this is not the only STP/packer strap on the market, so there are many options available, and I will link all of the reviews that I've done of those in the description below or in the comments section, depending on which way it goes. I have to say, I am so excited for all the different reviews, dysphoria tips, and all the other videos that I have planned for y'all this coming year. Unfortunately, I had to start out with one that I'm not the biggest fan of, this packing strap. If you want to see all the different reviews that I had planned, STPs, tips, all of those videos, go ahead and subscribe below and give this video a big ol' thumbs up. If there are any specific topics or products that you'd like me to review or things that you just want me to talk about, you can go ahead and just leave your suggestions in the comment section below. Until next time, peace.